Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover deleted images for the Photos application using OneDrive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application as well as OneDrive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go within Library. Select a couple of photos. Go to File, then go to Export. 2 photos directly to the desktop. Leave everything the way it is. Click on Export, not once, but twice on the desktop. We can now see that the photos have been exported. Minimize the Photos application for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Finder, go to OneDrive, Computer Science Videos, and then go to that Photos 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorial. Highlight both images on the desktop, drag and drop within the Find application for Photos 2024 and let that synchronize. So let's just say we now close Finder. We go all the way around to the dock again, go back to Finder, go back to OneDrive for Computer Science Videos, go to Photos 2024, highlight both images, and now let's just say move to bin. Are you sure you want to delete the 2 selected items? 2 items will be deleted immediately. You cannot undo this action. Click on delete. So those images have been removed from cloud storage. If we go down to the dock, go to the bin, as you can see, there's nothing in the recycle bin to recover those deleted images. So how do we recover these images? That's a very good question. So let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, what we will be required to do is go to office.com, make sure that you are signed into the account, then go to Applications, go to OneDrive, wait for that to load, go to My Files. We have that Photos.2024 folder on screen. Let's now go to Recycle Bin, click on this, and then we have those 2 images that were deleted through the Find application, and now we want to recover by restoring. So we are now restoring 2 items. Go back to My Files, go back to Photos 2024, right click, reload the page, and there we have it. Minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Find, and there we have those photos have been restored to the folder Photos 2024. So let's now quit Finder. Let's now go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Let's now quit Google Chrome. Let's now go all the way down to the dock again, go back to the Photos application. Let's now quit Photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.